Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn what is website, types of website, and how it works. So, if you are a beginner and want to understand website in simple way, this video is only for you. Let's get started. What is website? Basically, website is a collection of web pages that can see on the internet using web browser. For example, uh, when open Google, when open a Brave browser, a Mozilla browser, a Microsoft Edge, the web browser, and we can search google.com. Google.com, it is one kind of website. Here have lot of pages like this. youtube youtube.com, this is another website, and there have lot of pages and routes. In website there have text, images, videos, buttons like this. You can search music. There have a videos, a lot of videos, and we can see lot of images. There have lot of images and text. This is text and link. This is link, and this is the link. For every website has unique address called domain. There have this is the domain. Google, youtube.com, google.com, Netflix. Types of website. Now I will discuss types of website, and there are many types of website. Let's talk about most common cases. Most common cases, first of all, we discuss business website. Business website, this means this is the business type website. There have service website, and they are provide the YouTube um, growth increase service using this website, and there have their service related to content and their portfolios, etc. Here, then we go to e-commerce website. This is the e-commerce website. This e-commerce website, there have lot of product and organized way, and customer easily payment to the owner and order to online like Amazon, Shopify store, Daraz. These are product customer. In this way, customer can purchase, select size, and purchase this product via online. And this is a blog website. Blog website is the one kind of news website. This is blog content. Here, why analytics are essential for business success in 2025. This is the heading, and this is the body content of this blog. That means the this this is the blog website. This blog website have technology, travel, health, education, a lot of topics here. Now discuss portfolio website. Portfolio website, this is the one kind of portfolio, business portfolio website. There have their business plan, business strategy, and their service related document here attached. In this way, this is a business website. For example, designer, developer, marketer, photographers are have business website. Social media website. Social media website, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. How does work? Now let's understand how website works. There are three main parts. First of all, a domain name. These are the website domain name. These are the website address www.canva.com. This is the website address. Hosting. Hosting is a computer or server where website files are stored. Hosting like hosting.com or hostinger. There are a lot of platform for hosting provider, and this is browser like Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Safari, etc. So this is the overview of a short overview of website, what is website and types of website, and website can what's it works. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.